Hello everyone, today we are on site with our European customer. This is our custom-built robotic welding workstation for steel structures. These two production lines feature our brand new Human Star L3-5 technology and are now fully operational. Next, I'll walk you through the fully automatic, intelligent welding technologies in detail. Step 1. One-click activation of our 3D vision system. It automatically identifies workpiece information, combines with digital twin technology for intelligent positioning and reverse engineering, and generates a 3D model. Step 2. Our 3D camera scanning begins, delivering millimeter-level positioning accuracy to ensure zero deviation between the welding path and the actual workpiece position. Step 3. Guided by 3D drawings, we simulate the welding process and optimize it in advance to guarantee welding precision. Step 4. Matching with the ARC's welding process library by analyzing the 3D model to obtain workpiece thickness, groove dimensions, and other details. The system automatically matches the ARC's welding process library. Once everything is ready, welding commences. Throughout the process, the robot achieves perfect coordination of vision motion control and intelligence for full automation. No human intervention is needed. The welds are precise to the millimeter and aesthetically consistent. The robot's controller dynamically simulates the posture and trajectory data generated by algorithms with intelligent arc tracking. It automatically performs deviation correction, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. It welds continuously, adapts to gaps, and conducts automatic cleaning. Both ends of the equipment handle steel handling and robotic welding simultaneously. This integrated line greatly boosts production efficiency and reduces costs. It enables visualized production and management, shortens production cycles, and supports safe operations for welding and cutting solutions. Trust Human Star, we deliver peace of mind for every requirement. Thank you to our customer for their confidence.